So hello, we are back again now with part 1 of the chapter 13, which is light. And in this part, we'll be talking about the concept of reflection of light. Let me tell you, this is the syllabus for IGCSE grade 10 physics. And we are dealing with the concept of waves. And in that, we are dealing with the concept of light. And when we are talking about the concept of reflection of light, let us briefly describe about what exactly is reflection of light. Reflection is nothing but bouncing back of light. So whenever we have a surface on which if the light strikes, so this, it bounces back. And this bouncing back of light is called as the reflection of light. So now whenever we have a surface like this, we call this surface as a mirror, where we have one end, which is a rough surface, and the other end, we call it a smooth surface. So whenever we see a comb arrangement that acts like a mirror. Now, whenever we are talking about the concept of reflection of light, we have a ray diagram, and this goes like this. So this ray is called as incident ray, and this would be the reflected ray. The dotted line is called as normal. This would be the angle of incidence, and this would be angle of reflection. Now, many a time student makes a mistake that if they are asked, let's say out of A and B, which is incident ray and which is reflected ray. So they usually say that A is incident ray and B reflected ray without thinking about where is the arrow being shown. So it's very important that we pay attention towards the arrow. So if the arrow shows like this, then B is representing incident ray and A is representing reflected ray. And if you don't pay attention, then everything goes wrong. In this case, I is made by B and R is made by E. So what are the terms involved in reflection of light? We have incident ray, the ray which is moving towards the reflecting surface, which is this one in this case, and here it is this one. Then reflected ray, the ray which is going away after getting reflected or after bouncing from the surface. Then we have a normal, which is an imaginary line perpendicular to the reflecting surface. Angle of incidence, which is angle made by incident ray with normal, and angle of reflection, which is angle made by reflected ray. So if you see keywords, what are the keywords involved in this concept? So we have reflection, which is the change of direction of ray when it strikes a surface without passing through it. So it is striking without passing through it, bouncing back. A ray box is the one which is the apparatus used to produce the ray of light. A ray is narrow beam of light, and the last one is a laser, which is a device for producing narrow beam of light of a single color, which is monochromatic or wavelength. So whenever you hear a term monochromatic, it means of a single wavelength. So this is part 1 of the light chapter. We will be continuing with another part in the next session. Thank you and have a great time. If you have any question, do put it in the comment box.